Hi everybody! Happy Tech Tip Tuesday! Melissa O'Connell here, your Lexus technology specialist. And today's tip is more of a tip than a tech tip. One of our viewers asked for some help on how to install the front mounting bracket for the license plate. Depending on where you live, you may or may not have to install a license plate on the front of your Lexus. If you're in a state that does require a front license plate, you can't just attach the license plate to the vehicle. It actually has a mounting bracket that supports the plate, and that mounting bracket gets attached to a support piece behind the decorative face of the grille. Let's check it out. You're going to need to locate the mounting bracket for the license plate. It's typically found in the trunk or cargo area of the vehicle. You'll also need a drill with a number 3 Phillips screwdriver bit. You can use a manual Phillips head screwdriver, but it is going to take quite a bit more force. But our service team prefers to use a drill whenever possible. Now let's go out to your Lexus. When you're looking at the front of the vehicle, you'll see that there is a support piece behind the decorative face of the grille. Along that support piece, you'll see small circular indentations. Those are actually knockout points, and that's where you'll attach the mounting bracket. You'll usually see 4 knockout points that are in different positions, and you'll use different knockout points depending on the size of the license plate in your country or region. Line up the holes on the mounting bracket with the knockout points on the support piece behind the grille. Snap the mounting bracket into place. Now, using your drill and Phillips head bit, you'll attach 2 screws to connect the mounting bracket to the support piece. You do want it to be tight, but you don't want to over tighten because you are attaching metal screws into plastic and you don't want to strip that attachment point. Now your mounting bracket is attached to the vehicle. You can install your license plate. Make sure that you have a license plate frame so it holds the plate flat, especially when you go through a car wash. Put the plate into the frame, put both screws through the frame and the plate, and then attach that to the front license plate bracket.
Once again, you want it to be tight, but not over tight.
And now you're all set. And a huge shout out of thanks to my colleagues Chris and Abraham for helping me out with this video. Well, thank you so much for stopping by the Lexus virtual classroom today. It is so great to have you here. And thanks so much to everyone who's liking our videos and subscribing to the channel. If you'd like to be notified when we release tech tip videos or my deep dive video tutorials where I talk about anything and everything I can cover on a Lexus model, make sure to click the bell and then select to be notified so that you'll know when we release our next Lexus technology video. Thanks again for stopping by. We'll see you next time.